This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. It is June the 27th. Getting warmer. What we're going to do here is got something a little different. Make sure I put it on. Yep. Got something a little different. This is a little queen castle type thing. And I don't. But anyway, see, it's got 2 bricks on it, which means that it has or had at least 2 queen cells in it. And it's a split nuke, which means there's one on one side and another queen on the other side. But I think this one just has this one because I took these out and started another one with. No. And I'm waiting for this one to get a little bit bigger, but today I'll probably take this one out of here, put this nuke box in its place so they'll know where to come back into, and put some more frames in there so they can build up for fall. But now I'm not selling it for a nuke, so we have to have a laying queen before we get nukes. This one looks like it's got 1 queen cell, and it's got 1 queen cell that looks like it's tore down. So we need to see if we got a queen in here. Okay, we have other queen cell. We have a queen cell on this side, which is here. This one right here looks like it's been opened or tore down. This one here. There's a queen cell here. That's open. There's a queen cell there and a queen cell there. Now, there's a queen cell up here. But those are just open queen cells. They're not where queens come out. So what we're going to do here is just put them back together. Take this one out first, take it while we're here. The problem with things like this is you get bugs in it quick, unless they're real crowded. You can take a box like this, nuke box, put it down the middle, put a frame of stores on one side. This is at springtime if you have a spring. Put your queen cell on one side of your honey and put them in there, and they will usually make it for a queen. Or else put a bunch of bees in there, put I don't see no queens, no sign of a queen. If you want them to make their own queen though, you need to, you put a frame of eggs in there and put about 4 times more bees than what you think you need in there. And they'll make you a queen. So, more than 1 queen, put 2 of them on there. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Thumbs up. Let us know what you want to see. Give us a comment. We'll sooner or later get back with you. And subscribe. Thanks for all of it. Y'all have a great one. Bye.